Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our Scripture Stamp Club reveal for September of 2022. You heard me right. I said 2022. I can't even believe we are almost to October, November, and December, my favorite months. But I do not want to discount September, and this stamp set is perfect to get you started for your fall cards and scripture gifts. Like, I'm really excited about this one for gifting, and wait till you see what we've done for samples for you today. All right, check it out. You ready? Oh, wait, you're not a member of the club? That's okay. You can still pick this stamp set up in our store just at regular price, but if you want to join our club, that information is in the description below. Here we go, guys. Ready? I still laid it upside down. We're just gonna go this way with it. I still had it upside down. Look at this. This one is called Our God. Now let me show you what it does, okay? I love this kind of art. I see it around all over the place, the way they take letters and then shapes or images to make parts of the letters of a word, and that's what this one does. So you see how you have L, R, and D, so that's going to be Lord, and you have G and O with this D is going to be God. So here's what you do. You mix these images to make the words, and I love it. And we gave you all sorts of sentiments to go with these words, with Lord and with God. So what you'll do when you get your stamp set home is go to the project page or the product page, and Sylvia has done samples for you to see how all of the sentiments go together. But they are, for example, is in control and his timing is perfect. Of hope, fill you with joy and peace. So you see how you'll mix it with may the Lord of. And like this one, great is our God, rest in the Lord, put your faith in God or faith in the Lord. You could do that one either. And then for he is good. You can mix all this together. Is good all the time for God. So lots of ways to mix this one up. Let me show you the samples Shannon and I have done. Now, I'm going to start with Shannon's card because I think it's incredible. Look at this. Look how cute her little mini slimline is. Put your faith in God. And she did the pumpkin in the middle, and I just think it turned out adorable. And see how large the letters are? We tried to make them as large as we could, but still be able to use them on lots of things. This is a mini slimline, but it really makes the focal point there, doesn't it? I love it. Love that card. Good job. Then I thought, how perfect is this set for bookmarks? You guys ask me all the time about bookmarks, and I think this is so good. Look, great is our God. I love how this turned out. I added a simple ribbon, and I want to show you something here, okay? I thought I would point this out. Do you see the shape of my bookmark? It looks like I have a die to do that with, but I don't. Let me show you what I have. I have two punches. I have the stub and scallop, and I used the 1/4 inch round. So I did the scallop punch at the top and the 1/4 inch round at the bottom. And I just think those guys come in so handy for making it feel like you have dies that do these when you really don't. So there's that one. And then look, I think this would be a cute little gift set. I did this one on top of one of those half composition books. This book was sent to me by a subscriber, obviously because I love Buffalo Check, and it was plain on the front, which meant it left me room to decorate. So what I did was I made a little ribbon sort of situation, just with some cardstock, stamped Lord here, and did give thanks to the Lord, and I love how that turned out. But wouldn't that be a cute idea to mix these up and give this as a gift, a cute little devotional gift or something like that? Maybe even send a devotional with it. That would be super cute. Those are our samples. We went very fall. You wouldn't have to necessarily, although it is sunflowers and pumpkins and a wagon wheel, so it's pretty fall. But I want to remind you of something. Any image in your current stamp collection that is shaped in a sort of circle, see, all these are not, but they're sort of circles, they will still work. So imagine the possibilities for your own stamp set. I think it would be pretty to do one with Lord and maybe use like the manger, like Jesus in the manger might be really cute. Who knows? Lots of possibilities. So that's it, our new set, Our God. I just love it. I know that you guys will too. And what I want to encourage you to do is make a project with it and post it to our customer gallery. That's how you enter to win our $50 gift card that we give away every month. And we'll have a winner from last month listed in the top line of the description below. Thanks so much for being a part of our community, of our stamp club, and just for being you. I appreciate you guys and have a wonderful day. Bye now.